Being in a car accident. This dream often points to feelings of being out of control in some aspect of your life or fear of an impending disaster. Attending a wedding. Dreaming of a wedding can symbolize a union of different aspects of yourself or a desire for commitment and harmony in relationships. Giving birth. Dreams of giving birth often signify new beginnings, creativity, or the start of a new project or phase in your life. Losing something valuable. If you dream about losing something important, it can reflect feelings of insecurity, loss, or a fear of failing to protect or maintain what you value. Meeting a celebrity. Meeting a famous person in a dream usually symbolizes a desire for recognition, admiration, or the qualities that the celebrity represents. Climbing a mountain. Climbing a mountain in a dream often represents personal growth, ambition, and the challenges you face to achieve your goals. Being trapped. Dreams of being trapped often signify feelings of being stuck in a situation, overwhelmed, or restricted by your circumstances. House on fire. If you dream of your house burning down, it typically symbolizes a major transformation, destruction of old habits, or intense emotions. Winning a competition. Winning in a dream often represents a sense of accomplishment, self-confidence, and recognition of your efforts and talents. Walking through a forest. Walking in a forest can symbolize a journey of self-discovery, exploration of the unknown, or a need to reconnect with nature. Receiving a gift. Dreaming of receiving a gift often signifies feelings of being valued, appreciated, or the anticipation of good fortune. Arguing with someone. If you dream of arguing, it usually reflects internal conflicts, unresolved issues, or the need to express your feelings more openly. Seeing a rainbow. A rainbow in a dream typically symbolizes hope, promise, and the resolution of a difficult situation. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.